YouTube, welcome back to the channel. So this vlog, I'm starting it off in the car because this video is all about we got the reveal video. So yeah, and right now I'm at the car wash with some friends. I'm at the car wash, my boy right there. So we about to head out to a meet, and yeah, I'll catch you there. So right now I'm in the G, going to the meet right now. I got some ambient lighting. Doing some pops. Damn, that shit loud. Got the homies behind me. Got the homie in the queue right there. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. And let me know in the comment section if you guys like the rap. When I show you guys, if you guys like the rap. So yeah guys, I just pulled up to the meet. Boys here. Shit. But yeah guys, here's the G. Got my boy right there. So this is the new wrap guys. The new wrap. So I just got done, and if y'all don't see the video with the taillights, go and check it out. But yeah, shit clean, bro. Sheesh. Wrap the hood carbon fiber too. But yeah, let me know in the comment section what you guys think. So when I wasn't posting that much about the G, I was rapping it. So I was rapping this and my homie Q50 over here. But yeah, make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. And let me know what you guys think. Yeah, this RV look good. Okay guys, so I'm at the gas station right now, but here's the G with the new wrap. Sheesh. Shit looking good, boy. So that's the new look of the G. Thumbnail right here. Trying to get some thumbnail shots. But yeah, Let me know what you guys think about the G. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know what you guys think. See, I got some new headlights, all of that shit. Yeah, make sure you all go check out IG at Keems Media G37. Yeah. And make sure you guys go watch the video. And peace.